Practicing radical self-love is a necessity, especially in this day and age. I want you to pause for a moment, maybe take a couple of long, deep breaths in and out of your nose, and begin to think about what self-love means to you. How do you even practice self-care, self-preservation, self-nurturing, self-awareness, personal, deep self-refinement? Ultimately, how are you taking care of you? And with the eyes slightly closed or cast down, just allow the breath to flow gently in and out. Feel a softness come upon your shoulders as you feel your hips grounded into the earth. Breathe into this space and know that with each breath, you are breathing in love. And I'm going to invite you to repeat these affirmations after me. And if you want, you can place both hands over the center of your chest, right there at your heart chakra, your Anahata chakra, that place of deep intimacy and care. I am deserving of love and joy. I am deserving of love and joy. Every choice that I make is a reflection of self-love. Every choice I make is a reflection of self-love. I release all judgment and criticism, and I step into my fullness. I release all judgment and criticism, and I step into my fullness. I am enough. I am enough. I am worthy. I am worthy. Now take a deep breath in. Hold and retain your breath. Just feel all of that moving around you, through you. And then exhale.